guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle Tijan, Miss Tijan. How are my love bugs doing? How is the Tijan fan band doing? I hope you guys are all doing really well. Today I am here with my very first PR offer. This is something that I've been really excited to talk to you guys about, really excited to show you guys. Let me scoot back a little bit. I feel like my stuff is bright. I did get a ring light. Setup is much different. This is the permanent setup. We're not changing it anymore. As you guys know, I've been trying really hard to advance that and everything like that. So today we are going to be featuring Muse Beauty Brush. This is the starter kit. It's an electric rotating makeup brush. Includes luxury multi-purpose brush head. So it comes with an additional brush head. On the back of it, it shows you how and everything that it includes, and it shows you the brush head, the brush handle, charging cable, and a user guide in there, which we are about to go into now. The packaging, the way that the packaging was done was amazing. The box just slides open like that. It's a very nice box. Very happy. Thank you, Muse Beauty Brushes. So of course it comes with, like they said, the user guide, and then it also comes with a thank you for purchase, happy blending, just like a cute little thing, and best application tips are on the back here. It's really cool, and it says to tag your looks at Muse Beauty Brush. So make sure if you guys decide to do this, you tag them. Definitely fun. And then this is the brush set. So it comes with the charger cable. It comes with the adapter so you can put the USB in there. I already charged this. I just wanted to have it set up for you guys so you guys could see it. And it's really, really nice. So it just comes out like this. What it's in is super nice, and it's like the foam, very just nice packaging. Easy to pull the stuff out here. I'm just gonna grab the additional head there. So this is the additional head. So I would probably use this one for my my blending of my foundation and things like that. And then if I want to use something to do with my face, but I don't want to use the same brush, I would just attach this one on differently. So I'm really excited to use this. It comes with a silver button on the back. And then it also goes to a faster speed. And then, so it's just 1, 2, done. It's really cool. So we're going to be using this today. And the user guide here, I'll read a little bit of it here. When you open it, it just says, discover the next generation of makeup application. Important safety information. This device must only be charged with the supplied charger. So you guys can't go and get another charger for this. Using other chargers may damage the device and may, present a fire hazard. So again, only this charger. Do not use the charger on wall outlets with a different voltage rating than that specific on the charger. So you guys just want to be careful with that too. I mean, I obviously didn't check that, but I guess just be safe with that. Do not leave the device charging unattended. So the whole time it was charging, I was just in my room, just getting my whole setup going for filming. And then it says, do not cover the device while charging. Excessive heat may result in damage or fire. I will say that I had this plugged in underneath my carpet where all my cords are, and it kind of got hot. So don't do that. And then it says, do not allow the device to be accidentally activated in luggage or personal belongings. So if you're traveling, you want to make sure that this is completely off, that it's not like this, off. So it only takes 3 times, 1, 2, 3 clicks to turn it off. And then it just, goes into getting started and apply all the different ways that you can do it. For pressed powder. Oh, so I can use this for pressed powder. That was something I was interested in. So we are going to use this with my pressed powder. We're going to use this with my, Maybelline Mousse foundation, and we're going to see how this works today. Turn the device off without adding. Next, use speed. Okay, cool. So I think the 2 different speeds. So it says for liquid makeup, spread product using side-to-side motion in speed 1. And then next, use Speed 2 to fully blend in makeup using the faster brush rotation. Glide the brush across the skin surface, allowing the device to do work for you. For fuller coverage, apply additional product to specific areas of the face or all over as desired. Continue blending using speeds 1 and 2. Okay, so it really doesn't matter, I think, in speeds or whatever. I'm probably going to use both speeds just to see what happens. And it does give us cleaning instructions. I'm not going to really go over that right now. I'll save that for like a different video, just because this one I feel like is just more for like the application and how it works. And it does say tips for better experience. Of course you want to like take it apart here, and you just want to like clean the brush, and you want to make sure that this part is clean too, of course. So, and I think it gives you great tools in there how to do that. So that's like the user guide. And now I'm gonna stop talking and we're just gonna jump right into the video. Alrighty, love bugs, let's jump right into the video. So today I am using a face serum as my face primer. I'm really excited about this, my first time using this stuff, as you guys can see. It's actually really fun, it smells really good, and it makes my skin super soft and smooth. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in using the tool here for my Maybelline Mousse foundation. And we're just gonna apply this all over the face, as you guys know the way I do my application with my foundation here. Just want to make sure it's a nice and even coverage, of course. I'm so excited to use the Muse Beauty Brush. I'm excited to see this turn out. So now we're going to be using the NYX's primer here. This is a color correcting primer. I love this for the marks and scars here, as you guys know. And it's a great coverage, great finishing coverage for me, I feel like. Now here we go. Just blending and using. Right now I have it on 1. I have the Muse Beauty Brush on speed 1. And I'm just doing circular motions, kind of pressing, but not too hard. Circular motions, and my grip is nice and tight. And now I'm gonna go in with my secondary motion. And I am on speed 2. And I'm just using a little bit more force with this motion. That's why I said secondary. And I'm just blending all around. I love the way that it feels all over my face. So far the brush seems to give me great coverage. It's almost like a airbrush beauty feel that I get from this whole Beauty Muse brush. I really love it. The way that it feels on my skin, the bristles are extremely soft, and I think that I can get all around. Yeah, I definitely get all around my face. It blended really well for my neckline and everything. And I'm just continuing in circular motions, blending at the top of my forehead, blending all around, bringing it down, underneath the eyes. And again, this is still in the Force 2. Now I'm going in with my Neutrogena powder. And I am using the powder with the Muse Beauty Brush, because it did say we can use like pressed powders and stuff with it. So now I'm going in, and it really does work. I love the way that it looks. It's a beautiful coverage, very matte, very clean. And it's nice and even. Still using circular motions, and we're done. And we're just gonna hop right into the video. That was me using the Muse Beauty Brush, you guys. Be sure to check them out. If you guys want more information on Muse Beauty Brush, if you guys want a Muse Beauty Brush, use my code. Janelle20 is the code, okay? Use my code. Right now I'm just applying blush to the cheeks here. I'm going in with my Neutrogena foundation again and just kind of blending it out, you know, so it's not so harsh or anything. And I'll be leaving links for everything I use in the video, of course, down below. Just brushing out my brows because now we're gonna hop into my brows. I am using an eyeshadow from the Tarte palette that you guys see me holding throughout the whole video just to fill in my eyebrows today. Lately I've been doing that. I haven't been using like dip-in brow creams or anything like that. Just creating my arch. I am using a MAC brush, MAC angled brush there. And I like connecting my beginning to my arch once my arch is created. And I'm just taking my additional tool that I actually applied my foundation with, and I'm cleaning up my eyebrow. Cleaning it up all over, underneath, the tail, making it nice and sharp. The arch is nice and even, and the beginning is nice and clean. Then just going back in with my eyeshadow and bringing it all the way in. I know it's kind of deep and dark at the moment, but we will blend everything out soon. Just going in and filling it all in. And now you guys can see I did do my other eyebrow. Same concept, just cleaning it up as well on this end. Then I'm just taking that bristle brush you saw me brush my eyebrows with in the beginning, and this is how I create my fade effect. I just kind of brush and blend out that beginning of my brow, bringing it forward and back. And that's basically it for the fade effect for me. I do take my bristle brush again, and I kind of brush like my eyebrow brush like hairs up a little bit, and then I just go back in and clean everything. And then blend, blend, blend. So now I'm just doing a little bit of touch up. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into highlight. This is one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup, just because one, I'm using Jeffree Star's Dark Horse highlighting, and it just, look at what it does. I mean, you guys can see what it does. I love it so much. It really just makes my skin pop and glow. This highlighter stays on all day. I never have any issues with it. I use this highlighter as an eyeshadow. I've used it as a highlight for my brow. I've highlighted my whole face with this highlighter. I love it. And I've had this highlighter since last year, and I still have it. I'm gonna have it for plenty of years to come. Now I'm just taking my Muse Beauty blending brush and kind of blending everything in. And now we're jumping into the eye look using NYX's eyeshadow primer. I'm just applying that all over the eyelid. Then I'm taking a BB Cosmetics brush, it's a bristle brush, and kind of blending out the primer so it's not so damp. It's more of like a tacky feel. Going in with Urban Decay's Electric palette. You guys obviously know I love this palette, using the color Urban on my outer corners of my eyelids to create this like purple gold shimmer look I got going on today. I'm jumping into the Jehovah's Magic palette, taking this like beautiful rose gold color that they have there in the second row, and going back in with my BB Cosmetics brush that you guys saw me apply my primer with, and I'm just blending the purple in with the gold, and then putting some more purple on the outers to make it deeper and darker. And I'm just blending at this point. And now you guys can see that I have both my eyes done. I'm just going in with L'Oreal's thick eyeliner pencil. I've had this eyeliner pencil forever. Then going in with the Tarte palette once again, and I am applying the third to darkest shade in that palette on my lower eyelids with a BB Cosmetics brush. This BB Cosmetics brush is for eyeliner. Then I'm taking, this mascara is by CoverGirl. I absolutely love it. I've been dying to get it, and I finally got it. I saw all the commercials for it. And I'm just applying my mascara to my eyelashes. Then going in with Anastasia's lip palette, and I'm just using, you know, I don't even know what these shades are called because they don't have any names, you know, so It's like the brownish shade, and I'm only using one shade on my lip in this video today, guys. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'll try to describe it for you. But we are all done. And be sure to tell me what you guys think of today's video.